वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Ojas, the strength, the power, the energy. Namaskar, I am Atharva Chaudhary, Bharatnatyam learner and a performer from Nanded. I am very happy to present to you my new venture Ojas, which will be the endeavor to present classical dance and music. I have been learning dance since 10 years now. I started my initial training of Bharatnatyam under Guru Dr. Bharat Jethwani sir in Nanded. His kind and focused attention made me to choose Bharatnatyam as my preferred classical dance form. Thank you sir for introducing me to the field of Bharatnatyam. Guru Srimati Tamanna Nair was a visiting faculty to our dance class. Her in-depth knowledge and detailed training made me realize the joy and beauty of dancing. She taught me the importance of music in dance and of course the importance of Abhinaya in Bharatnatyam. Now I am learning under Guru Dr. Parimal Phadke sir from Pune. And all of this would not have been possible without his support, encouragement and blessings. Sometimes in the form of motivation, suggestions and scolding at times.
Namaskar. I would like to convey best wishes to my student Atharva Chaudhary for his new venture titled Ojas. This organization, which is committed to promoting young talent in the field of classical dance, but also creating awareness of classical dance and creating an audience which would understand classical dance. So this is wishing him all the best for this new venture, Ojas.
Namaskar. Mr. Atharva Chaudhary is bringing a beautiful YouTube channel for the classical lovers, Ojas. Ojas, which will bring a beautiful platform for a different artist sitting in India who are having a beautiful talent in a field of classical dance and music. It is known that every month this program will be organized through online where they will telecast different classical dance and music programs. Atharva Chaudhary is my student who learned basic Bharatnatyam under me. I am very happy now he is doing again his higher mastery studies with some other guru and also learning with a very keenly. I am so much happy that being himself as an artist now he is entering as an organizer where he has learnt various things in this institute and also will be learning more and more while organizing these events. Himself being a beautiful Bharatanatyam artist, he is a good performer, an excellent performer who is performing on various platforms through various programs, various projects. Now he is coming as a organizer of Ojas. I really congratulate him and every artist who will be participating in this channel, in this platform, in this program, and everyone should subscribe this channel and do see the different artists coming from different places of India abroad to just enjoy their performance by sitting at their home of classical dance and music. Classical dance, surely Ojas will do one beautiful work of preserving aesthetic heritage of India, which is a need of our, and I congratulate everyone and best wishes for the future endeavor. May this program, this project and channel may grow and give different platform to different artists and also the viewers, the beautiful performances and the marvelous enjoyment and entertainment with learning of our classical performances. Thank you very much.
Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Mrs. Tamanna Ritesh Nair. Today I am here to talk about Ojas. Ojas is a new venture organized by Atharva Chaudhary. Ojas will be organizing monthly programs related to classical dance and music. It will be showcasing different talents from their respective fields. I have known Atharva for the past 5 years. I know him through his first guru, Dr. Bharat Jethwani, who is a renowned Lavani and Bharatnatyam guru and performer from Nanded. Atharva is a very talented, dedicated, and a very promising artist. I feel very proud when I see the youth of this generation take such steps to preserve our culture and tradition. I feel happy to support and guide Atharva for Ojas. My blessings are always with him, and I thank him for making me a part of Ojas. Please show your support by liking his videos and subscribing to his YouTube channel. Also like and share his posts and videos on Facebook and different social media platforms. I am eagerly waiting for Ojas. Stay tuned. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं पूनम मुर्डेश्वर। इस नृत्य क्षेत्र में मुझे 50 साल हो गए और मुझे आज खुशी है कि इस कला को आगे लाने के लिए नौजवान बच्चे आज कुछ करने जा रहे हैं। ऐसे ही एक बच्चा है अथर्व चौधरी। अथर्व एक प्रोजेक्ट शुरू कर रहा है, उसका नाम है ओजस। इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए अथर्व को मेरी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। मुझे आशा है कि इस कार्य के लिए आप अथर्व को प्रोत्साहित करेंगे। इसीलिए आप सब लोग ओजस के लिए तैयार रहिए।
Thank you from bottom of my heart. I ensure you a dedicated effort in the field of dance via this platform for the coming days. I would also like to show my heartiest gratitude towards Poonam Tai Murdeshwar for her kind words and blessings. So the first event under Ojas will be Jati Yatra, a journey of divergent soul. Details about Jati Yatra will be posted soon on our social media handles, so stay tuned for it. Last but not the least, the people without whom no project of mine would ever have been possible are my team. Thanks to them for always being with me. This is a humble attempt of mine and my team in the field of dance, but it's incomplete without your love and your blessings. So kindly please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned for more details about Jati Yatra.